In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up your phone app. Then at that bottom toolbar, get into Contacts, and then first of all you need to find a contact that you want to delete. You can just scroll down until you find one in that way. Also, you can search for specific contact by their contact name, just like that. And also you can hit at this characters icon to fast move to a specific character. So once you find one, in order to delete a contact, all you have to do is just hold down on it and then hit add delete contact. Then confirm it, and that's it. I have just removed the contact. Another way is to do it from the contacts page, so just open up some contact in that way, then hit on edit, then scroll down to the very bottom and then hit add delete contact. Confirm it. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.